I'm recording now, though. Oh my god. I cannot believe that works. You can make a mixed beacon. Oh wow, that would have been a lot easier to do earlier. Okay. Good to know, good to know. Now I want to go raid bastions. I don't know how long I'm going to stream tonight. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Both my parents are off, so we might go do something tomorrow, but I'm not 100% sure. I need more gold specifically because my food source, and I don't really have another solid one besides golden carrots. So that's something I just really need. Um, Beaconator, love that. Day 125. All right. So we're gonna go down here. Hello, villagers. That's my mending and unbreaking villager right there. Now I gotta find a treasure bastion on Chunk Base. I don't care if people think it's cheating. I use it. They're gonna have to deal with it. Ooh. 144, 624. Okay. Oh, wow. I'm in the wrong way. I think I've already been to that one, actually. Hold on. I'll find a different one. Alright, negative 784, 224. I've just gotta be careful. That's the main thing. That's why I got the bow out. Ooh, 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 ooh. A little bit of a tight fit there. Jeez. Okay. Alright, what was their coordinates? 784. Oh, hello, freshly loaded lava. Ooh, I went far beyond where I was supposed to go. Whoopsie. I hope I remember. Actually, I have it marked on Chunk Base where my thing. Oh, there it is. I usually have a way of doing this. I go down as low as I can go. Okay, I'll turn F3 off. Okay. That was close. Alright. This is why I like free cam. Perfect. Amazing. A second. Okay. This is how I deal with piglin brutes. Shoot them from far away. I mean, it's really the easiest way to deal with them. Okay. Now, magma cubes are my main problem. Like I said, magma cubes. I hate magma cubes with all of my being. If I died right now, I think I'd cry. That would suck. Oh, be quiet, piglins. Okay. Whew, holy. I need these. I really need a looting sword. Spectral arrows could be useful. And I'm out. Alright, next one. Negative 992. Cool. See, now, I don't know which way I'm going right now. The right way. Cool. Oh, hello, fortress. Alright, overshot it. Where are we at? Negative 160. Oh, come on, I gotta go all the way this way. That's some crap. I mean, it's not that far, but... Oh, there we are. Cool. I've honestly kind of mastered how to get through these things. Oh, I think I am as low as I can go. Wow, I've never done that with a bastion before. Ooh. Okay. Piglins are everywhere. It was Spectral Arrow. Look at him die. That was great. Wow. I'm just killing these guys like it's none of my business. Where's this guy? Oh, come on. Oh, whoa. Easy there. God. This is... Jesus. They're everywhere. Now I'm really worried. Like, they could be anywhere. I guess I can check real quick where they could be. Okay. There's two up there. They're easy to deal with. It's the brutes that are hard to deal with. Okay. I think we're good. And just go for it. Damn you, Magma Cube! I hate you. I hate you, Magma Cube. I hate them with all my being. You're not better than anyone else, bro. You're literally the worst. My god, we are getting insane loot. Honestly. I'm mainly here for the gold blocks, though. Oh, Lord. The piglins are so dramatic. All the time. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's a brute. That is a brute. Missed. I hate magma cubes, genuinely. I hate them so much. I'm not even gonna test it, bro. I'm not even testing it. I'm out of here. That was the easiest shit ever. Okay. Alrighty. We can go for another one here. Negative 544, negative 600. This way. There it is. Okay, this is treasure. I'm good on that, broski. No. I'm chill on going right there. I'd rather not, actually. Alright. We are... honestly... chill. No, if I'm right. Yep. Right there, everywhere. Perfect. I can get him right there. God, leave me alone, bro. I genuinely hate magma cubes. This is why I made a farm for you guys, not even for the magma blocks. Just to kill you. That's how much I hate these things. Did my bow have a breaking? It does. Why is the durability going down so much? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold off, bro. My god. I'm chilling that, bro. I am not trying to... No! Screw you, buddy. Yeah, burn. Oh, shoot. Okay. Alright. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. I don't like you. Nope, 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 nope. Screw all you. Okay. Minor scare. But we're good. We're all good. Nothing to be too afraid of. Just, let me just, just check. Just in case. Just in case. Just a little security precaution. Just a precaution. Anything? Guys up here? Doesn't look like. Ooh, you're gonna be a problem. That is gonna be a problem. Or maybe not. Missed, okay. Got him. Oh, don't go that way. Missed it. Missed it again. I'm gonna play these games, man. Maybe I can lead him. Yes. Come on, man. Got it. Yes! Okay. We might be good. I can just... Never in my life have I ever gotten loot. Have I ever gone into a treasure bastion that has had 4... Like, I have never gotten this many netherite ingots in a row. Never. I've never done that. Sharpness 5! Oh, I already have sharpness 5. What am I talking about? Ancient debris. 2? Oh, it's just giving them to me. It's just giving them to me. It's so sweet of it, honestly. I've gotta stop talking big game or else I'm probably gonna die in this hardcore world. That's usually how it goes. I get mad karma. Okay. Bye-bye, Bastion. Next one. Let's see. Actually, you know what? I might play it safe and head home. How much do we got? Ooh, yeah, we've got plenty. We've got plenty stuff. We're good. We're good. Yeah, we're gonna head home. I think I can probably remember the chords. Um, it's like positive 150, 90, I think. So we got a bit of a ways to go. Going the wrong way. Ow. Ow, whoa, 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 whoa. Easy, bro. Oh my god. I cannot be flying across the nether with this little health. Give me, yeah, thank you. Holy crap. Positive 150. 90, I think. Wait, is this my... I don't think it is. Okay, I overshot. Okay, it's fine. It's in a warp forest. I know that, though. I know that. Oh, God. Jesus Christ, I hate basalt. I hate basalt deltas with a passion. They're genuinely the worst biome in the nether. Never seen one worse. Okay. Alright, I think we got it. Yeah, we're good. Yep, we're good. Yep, we are. Cool beans. What can I say? What can I say? Whew. That was a good haul. That was a great haul, actually. Amazing haul, even. So many upgrades and ingots. Ooh, I can... I've got so many levels now. I could upgrade... Upgrade this. And this. And add them to my stuff here. Because I need efficiency 5. That is a... that's a no-brainer. That is something that I need. The rest of this can go in here. Okay. Just grab this and this. Now let's get to upgrading. This is... Oh, my levels. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Everything about this is going to hurt. Okay, that's cheaper. That's cheaper. But it's... Oh, it's still painful. It's still painful. Now I also have 2 pairs of, shovels, which I planned on. But now I'm at 13 levels, and I'm sad. Because I had almost 50. Almost 50 levels! Can you believe that? 50. And now I'm at 13. Back at square one. But it's okay. It was worth it. If I keep telling myself it was worth it worth it. Okay? Don't... Yep. Knew I saw something. Nope. No! Are you fuck? I missed. I missed. God, it was waterboarded. Okay, whatever. It's fine. Okay. I gotta name all my stuff. I still need to name my sword. I got it. Perfect. Now I'm at 8 levels. I'm going to end it. Okay. It's fine. We're good. I must use... This is my favorite one. I actually really like this. This is my favorite one. Silked up and hard. King Batch spoon. Big enough for 3 tubs. A reference to the King Batch vine from years ago. 3x multiplier. Silked up miner. Is in referring to... Never mind. Perfect. Those should be growing. If they're not... Okay. Why is it not growing? I literally have this. Okay. G. Oh. Oh, that's funny. Alright. We'll play these games. Fine, we'll play these games. Got you. Okay. We just have to redo it. It's fine. That was weird looking. that's within this chunk. Right? It is, right? Okay, hold on. Okay, it is. It is. It's within this chunk. So now, I gotta go get some kelp, which isn't difficult at all. No, that's about all I need. Wait, where did I put it? Over here? Yeah, I did. Okay. Perfect. This should be deep enough. We're good. We are golden. Unless they broke chunk loaders, which if they did, I'm gonna be so upset. Oh, really? Alright. Now, to add the classic text. Chunk loader. Oh, wait, no. Stasis chamber. Do not interact. There. It's got a warning and everything. Perfect. And off the whoa, what did I just do? What? I don't know how I did that. I think that was F1. Or F3 plus 1. Is it? It is. Okay. Cool. I guess I learned something new today. I still can't believe that right there worked. I actually really like that look. That's amazing. So, I'm going to put all this stuff in a chest. Probably, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Oh yeah, should probably make myself some more food. That was not enough. That's better. I haven't gotten a netherite hoe yet, but I will eventually. Not on this stream, no, for sure. Definitely not on this stream, but on a different one, yeah. Because I'd have for a hoe, a really good one, I'd probably have to go into an ancient city. But it probably would be better if I didn't go to an ancient city. Because ancient cities are like really dangerous. And I've already been to one and it was terrifying. So, you know. Whew, holy death. Oh my gosh. That was close. Wow. Still wasn't even enough. But hey, we're good. We are chilling. We got food. We're decked out. Our armor is like fire. I need that Strido 3 on these boots. I'm gonna lose my mind. I've got the water stuff on the helmet, but I just need Depth Strider 3. I also need Swift Sneak, because that would be very useful. I think next, I'm probably going to try and get another Wither Skull. I need looting. I need a looting sword so bad. Like, actually, it's bad. It's horrible. I need one. I need a stick real quick. I need to see what I can get if I enchant a diamond sword. I'm getting knocked off forward. Right. Damn it, hold on. Let me see if I got more. I need bookshelves, because my enchanting table and its bookshelves have been through hell and back. Perfect. Perfect. Oh yeah, another reason I want to move base to somewhere different is because, well, if you couldn't tell, this one is a mess. There's holes everywhere. I've got waterlogged chests for storage. It's just bad all around. Shrooms 3. That just won't do. That just won't do. Know what I mean, man? That just won't do. That just won't do. Oh, really? Okay. What'll I get now? Sharpness 3 still. Alright, you little... Knockback 2. I need looting 3! Alright, whatever. Alright. Oh. Why am I even doing this? No one's watching. Whatever. I like it. How long have we been streaming? About an hour? I'm honestly enjoying this. But I definitely need a better XP farm at some point. Maybe I should make a VODs channel for my YouTube. Yeah, I think I'd like that. VODs channel, yeah. Though it's almost 12 a.m. where I am, so I may stop in a minute. Actually, no, I'm probably gonna stop now. Because I am getting a little tired. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. And yeah, alright. That's it. I know no one was here, but that's fine. See you in the next one. Eek.